Hey, what do you think about the Miata, Bray?
The fucking seatbelts piss me the fuck off.
Tell me about it.
The fucking seatbelt gets stuck between the motherfucking door and the seat. Like, what the fuck? The fuck am I supposed to buckle up?
Miata, dude! Oh my gosh! Yo, my fucking ass got the Miata, dude. You already know, modifying it. Oh my. It's a nice car. I mean, it's got nothing wrong with it. Picked it up for a good price. I already got the carbon fiber duck lip on it. Duck wing, whatever it's called. But we have we have wheels, suspension, new top, roll bar, seats, everything. This car's gonna be fucking done. It's gonna be mint. And you know who's gonna be here with me? I'm Reese, dude. But yeah, this the top, a little bit bodied, but the car's nice. The car's nice. A little bit of rust here and there, but who cares? You know, it doesn't matter when it's a Miata, dude. NB 2002, 100,000 fucking miles, dude. This thing's ready to take a beating. And the door closes fine. Like, that's actually a first, you know? I'm a fucking ass. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's a Doge. There is a Doge in that dog car. Doge. But yeah, dude, the Miata, it rips. Oh! Oh! Dude! The Miata, dude!
Miata gang.
Let's just follow that car so they don't feel weird. No, they'll feel creeped out when they see that we're following them in a Miata. In the middle of nowhere, dude. Look at that, dude. Dude, all you see in the back mirror is the lip, dude. Or the spoiler, whatever it's called. It's carbon fiber, dude. It's fast. It's nice. Makes the car add 25 freaking horsepower. Dude, I don't even know it anymore, dude. Yeah, I'm using my phone to record it.
That shit's nice as fuck.
Dude, look at that Toyota Supra. Whoa, whoa.
Toyota Supra. That's not good.
It can be anything you want it to be, just the way you look at it, you know? But I'm using my phone to record right now, so it seems a little bit weird. Because I used to have a camera, but I sold the camera because I didn't use it. Shop's vlogging. There's a big truck. Yeet. Well, he looked at me. He gave me the look, Ryan.
He did.
You know what that look is?
Looked like he was gonna fucking pull out his double barrel shotgun and shoot the fuck out of you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Ryan. You just shifted. Ryan, put me in third. Put me in third, Ryan. Oh!
It's like a fucking driving right-hand drive.
We are. Put me in fourth, Ryan. Ryan, that's second. That's second.
No, it's not.
Just kidding. Gotcha. This thing is 6 speeds. It's got 1, 2, 3, 5, and race mode. You know what race mode stands for?
Park.
Fast. How does this car have a park?
There's only a K on there.
It's fast.
yeah, that's gon' get you hit, bitch. Never stand out from any nigga who wanted with me, bitch. I keep my circle small, so only family fit in that shit. I turned the 8 into a O and flip that O into a brick. I'm flex, nigga. My check bigger, coming through like we them next, nigga. Got them band figures, think I done made it, I'm blessed, nigga. We the best, nigga. That's your homie, claim your set, nigga. Beat your chest, nigga. Oh yeah, let us need the movement, we booming. You niggas know that we got it. Don't put no fear in this nigga. I up this shit like a rocket. Come here, what's that in your pocket? Oh, that's my pet, try to rob me. I'll be a fool if I let you take that from me. I ain't stopping, we'll use a hoe when you know it. And best believe I'ma show it. Don't wanna smoke no weed with you, no sit that lean at your pony. They want my song, I ain't going. I'm shining bright like a blowing. And I'm probably in Philly all up on the bike, and I know that I'm popping a wheelie. Then back to the room, and I'm probably in park, and you know that a nigga gon' eat it. I grab a bitch up in the floor, and you know that a nigga been dropping the ceiling. I got the check and I roll it up. Talking money till I'm double up. Smoking, drinking at the double cups. The nigga, you know that I'm with it. Tell that nigga better toughen up. If you wanna come and fuck with us, I like when your bitch come and suck it up.
Oh my god, he's so fast! So I'm here with Ryan. Just trying to put in these seats. We got the one seat out, but the bracket's still in a line. So we're gonna have to run to Home Depot or something and just find a way that we can bolt the thing on. We got the little spoiler though, it looks pretty nice. But we got the seats in. I know straps are coming in pretty soon, but I don't know how we're gonna get a seatbelt on those things. They're 4-point harnesses. So we're just gonna have to manually find a way to put those things on. Ever Solani. Yeah, it's a little bit stressful situation here, but we're gonna find a way to make this work. Here with Ryan Bruce. So we're out eating right now. We're getting wings right now. I'm taking this babe out to eat for tonight. You know, we worked a lot on the cars today, but it
took a lot of L's today too.
It did not work as planned. It didn't go as planned. We're in like
fucking fatty.
Who's got the fatty? To our server?
Nah, the girl that just walked out that door. A different server.
No freaking way, dude.
Smoking hot.
She's smoking hot? Ryan, go say what's up to her. So I'll give you $50. I'll buy you a meal tonight, right? But yeah, we're out right now. Sending it. You already know. Alright, Ryan.
No way.
Ryan's trying this hot stuff. Go ahead, Ryan. Oh my god, Ryan Bruce.
Dude, it's not even hot.
It's not even hot?
No.
Ryan, you're kidding. Dude, that sauce is so hot, dude. Dude, you are insane.
It's literally not even hot.
Ryan, you're fucking crazy, bro. Dude, you are insane. That sauce is so hot. Guys, this is... It's disgusting. This is the hottest sauce they have here. There's like... Alright. We're gonna get Buffalo Wild Wings, Ryan. We're gonna try that. Ryan, how does it feel?
The aftertaste.
It's hot. It burns your throat. Oh my god. I tried it. It's so hot.
Vape God. You're... Go.
Back with my phone. So I'm not really good with recording with my phone because I'm used to using a camera, but so we have some seats here. This is for the Miata. Then I got some wheels here. Can you guess what they are? These are some Rotogrid V's, 5s, whatever they call them. But they're meaty as frick. They're 16 by 8. Got 205s by 55s on here, which it's gonna be a tight fit for the Miata. But right now it's at a shop. I'm getting the soft top changed. It's gonna be black from the original gray or tan, and then I'm gonna have suspension put on, like coilovers. And then when that's all finished, we're just gonna slap on the wheels and everything. You know, make it look pretty mint. But yeah, these I really like these wheels a lot. They're like a gunmetal gray. Not exactly sure, but I like them a lot. Really nice. Yeah. But the Miata is gonna come out mint. it's hard to record like I'm not used to. So I'm not really used to using my phone because it's so easy just using a camera. So it's just like, I'm a fucking ass. You know what I mean?
Listen, man, I had to grow up. That's why I never asked for help.